What's up guys, V here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install this EZDIY Vertical GPU Kit in your PC. We're going to go ahead and get this thing ready. So it comes in two separate pieces. Here's the main ribbon cable with the bracket. It's already pre-attached, and then we got all this stuff in here. There's also instructions if you want to use them. So let's go ahead and see what we got in here. So here's the bracket where your GPU will be mounted to, and here's the bracket that would connect to the back, and it's adjustable up and down and in and out as well, as you can see here. So let's go ahead and get all this stuff connected. So first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and take this mount right here, and you're going to mount it back here just like that. So this part is going to go just like that. And they do provide screws, so let's get the screws out. So there's that. That's how that's going to look so far. Just doing a quick little test fit. Make sure everything aligns right. This does kind of lean back, but you can push it with your hand and screw it in, so not a problem. And now for this bracket, you have two options. You can mount this on the back side, so this would get mounted here, and you can have this mounted like this, so it's really far out, or you can mount it like this, so it's more inward. For me, I'm going to mount it on this side, so it's more inward. If I put it outward, my front panel won't fit. So just line this up just like this. Take those same screws you used for the other piece and get these in here. Now here's the cable for the RGBs. This is going to run to the back of the PC and then plug into your 3-pin 5-volt ARGB header on your motherboard. Okay, so that's all put together. This is pretty much ready to be installed. So I'm going to remove this plastic protective thing, and I'm going to plug it in. Alright, now we're ready to go ahead and install it. So grab the screws that you removed from your case. Now once you have that installed, you can get your GPU. Once you got your GPU in there, you're going to have to tighten it down to the bracket itself. Now the final thing is plugging in your RGB cable for this. And to do that, you're going to need to find your RGB port on your motherboard. Mine just so happens to be at the top here. So to plug that in, you would find your ARGB or something like DLED. As you see here, it's a 3-pin, just like that. And you would take your connector that looks like this and just match it up to that. And plug it in just like that. And good to go. And then all that's left to do is plugging in your 8-pin, 16-pin, whatever you got. And you're pretty much good to go. You can mess with these screws here, up and down, left and right, so you can adjust it exactly where you want it in the case. And if you do need extra support on the bottom, I don't, because mine are sitting directly on the fans themselves. I shouldn't have any issues with that, but if you do need to use these brackets, you basically connect them just like this. You'd screw them together, and then you can adjust the height of these, go up or down, and then these also connect to the bottom of this bracket. And again, you can adjust how much space you need. They would sit there under there supported by the bottom of your case. But now you can see the GPU gets pushed forward. Obviously you're going to have to run the cables in here to plug in your monitors and stuff. To me that's not a big deal, but this is exactly what I was looking for. This RGB is going to light up and we'll be good to go. Now I hope this video was helpful. If it was, feel free to give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. And if you like videos like this, feel free to subscribe. With all that being said, my name is V, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.